Hi everyone, I am back today with another video. I am starting off today with some chocolate chips. This is a 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips and I have a cup of heavy whipping cream. I placed it into the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds and I am gradually stirring this until it is nice and smooth. Once I have it all nice and smooth, I place it into the refrigerator for it to solidify just a little bit. That way it's a lot easier for me to frost my cake. Now we can start with my cakes. I'm starting off today with 6-inch rounds. This is for the bottom tier. I'm using my ganache for the rim, and then I am using my chocolate ganache whipped cream. I also have the recipe for my whipped cream as well also. I will leave a link in the description box below. And I'm just repeating the process for each of my layers. I just want to make sure that my cakes are nice and even, and then I can start on my frosting. And as you can see, my ganache is not as runny, and that is the consistency that I want while I am frosting my cake. I'm using my cake scraper to make sure I get nice and smooth sides. I'm also cleaning off the top of my cake. Once I get it nice and cleaned off, I can place this back into the fridge while I work on the top tier. And onto my top tier, I am using 4-inch cakes today. I'm also filling it with the same chocolate ganache whipped cream, and I'm just repeating the same process. I'm starting off with the ganache on top of my cake and then just working that down to the bottom and making sure I cover all gaps of my cake. And again, I'm using my cake scraper, making sure I get nice and straight edges. I'm also filling in any gaps that needs to be filled and then just going back and repeating the process to make sure that I get nice and straight sides. Just cleaning off the top of my cake, and then I'm placing this into the freezer for it to chill, and then we can start putting my cakes together. I am using boba straws today because I am not transporting this cake anywhere. It is staying inside the house. Now it's time to put this cake together. I have the cake out from the freezer, and I'm just putting this on top of my cake and making sure that it is nice and even in the middle. I am using a small rose tip for my decorations with just buttercream frosting. And just a little off subject, the reason why I'm making a wedding cake today was because today is actually the anniversary of when me and my fiance first met. We were actually supposed to get married and have a reception this weekend as well also, but because of the pandemic, we decided to have that postponed to next summer. And so I am just doing a small little wedding cake just to celebrate our anniversary. Now back onto the cake, I am using a 352 leaf tip for the roses. And then I'm using a number 3 tip just to pipe some little dots onto the top tier of my cake with my buttercream frosting. I will also be making another wedding cake next year, but it will actually be a 3-tier, so make sure you guys stick around for that. And this is what my cake looks like, you guys. This is my version of a chocolate mini wedding cake, perfect for any chocolate lovers. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.